Introduction. Experimental evaluation of solar-powered amenities on guest preference in remote lodging sites in southern Leyte. In many remote areas of southern Leyte, power interruption and lack of access to electricity continue to affect the development of small-scale tourism and hospitality enterprises. Lodging facilities in upland or island barangays often rely on limited generator use or go without consistent power, negatively impact the guest experience and operational efficiency. In this context, solar-powered amenities offer a potential solution to address energy challenges while promoting sustainable and eco-friendly hospitality service. In response to global shift towards sustainability and clean energy, solar power has emerged as a viable and eco-friendly alternative for rural electrification. Solar-powered amenities such as lighting, hot water system, charging station, and cooling equipment can enhance the comfort, safety, and overall satisfaction of tourists, while reducing the environmental footprint of tourism operation. This study aims to experimentally evaluate the impact of solar-powered amenities on guest preference in remote lodging site in southern Leyte. So we all know remote areas in southern Leyte often experience unstable electricity, making hospitality operation inconsistent. Solar-powered amenities could improve guest comfort and reduce operational costs, but there is limited evidence on how these affect tourist preference or satisfaction in rural settings. So to evaluate the effect of solar-powered amenities on guest preference and satisfaction in remote lodging sites in southern Leyte is a research problem. Many remote lodging sites in rural areas of southern Leyte struggle with unreliable or absent electricity, which limits the quality of service offered to the guests. While solar energy offers a sustainable, cost-effective solution, it remains unclear whether the integration of solar-powered amenities has a measurable effect on guest satisfaction and preference in hospitality contexts. Currently, there is a lack of experimental research that evaluates the impact of such amenities on tourist behavior and perception in rural Philippine settings. As we all know, all of the tourists has a different kind of experience when it comes to a lack of electricity when we are in rural areas such as in Hinunangan Island. We all know they only use a generator, they only use in nighttime, but in the morning they don't use it even though there are many tourists. That's why this this kind of experiment we want to study. This is my research problem. First question. Does the installation of solar powered amenities in remote lodging sites in southern Leyte significantly influence guest preference and satisfaction?